Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to promote YouTube videos with email marketing automation. So suppose we want to promote our YouTube videos that we are going to publish on our YouTube channel with email marketing. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to publish a new video on my YouTube channel, then automatically I'm going to capture the detail of that video and I'm going to use these details to automatically first create a campaign in my Mailchimp account. And after creating that email campaign, I'm going to send that to all my subscribers for notifying that I have published a new video on my YouTube channel. So for my objective, I have to build a connection between YouTube and Mailchimp. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. So here with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to publish a new video on my YouTube channel, then automatically by using that detail, I'm going to first create a campaign on Mailchimp and I'm going to send that campaign to all my subscribers. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can promote YouTube videos with email marketing automation. So today we have something exciting for you. We are diving into the world of email marketing, specifically focusing on how you can leverage Mailchimp to notify your subscriber about your latest YouTube videos. So whether you are a content creator looking to boost your video engagement or a business aiming to keep your audience engaged, then email marketing is a powerful tool. And with Mailchimp, the process is both simple and effective. So in this video, we will explore how we can set up this amazing automation between YouTube and Mailchimp for video promotions. So for creating this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, and with Pabbly Connect, we are going to build this connection between YouTube and Mailchimp without any coding and programming skills. So now, whenever we are going to publish a new video on our YouTube channel, then automatically by using all the detail of my YouTube video, I'm going to send email by creating a campaign on my Mailchimp account, and I'm going to send that email campaign to all my subscribers. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can build this connection between YouTube and Mailchimp. And for that, let me take you to Pabbly Connect. And for using Pabbly Connect, what you need to do is you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in our browser, and it will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you just have to click on this sign up for free button, and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I need to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and it will take us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here what we need to do is we need to create a new workflow. For that, I'm going to click here on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to promote YouTube videos with email marketing automation. And now what I need to do is I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab, and in this tab I will find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account. And here I'm going to use this particular folder of YouTube videos. And now I need to click on Create. And here it will take us to our workflow. So here we have these two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first, and here my trigger application is going to be YouTube. So I'm going to select YouTube here. And now I need to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab. A new video in channel with video URL is going to be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect YouTube with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on Connect. I will click on Add New Connection. And I will click on Connect with YouTube. Now here I need to click on Continue to give access to my account. And my connection here is successful. Now first I need to select my channel ID. So for the channel ID, let me take you to my YouTube account. And here I'm going to use this particular channel of demo channel. So this is my channel ID. I will go back to Pabbly Connect. And here I only have one channel ID. So that is already selected. Now what I need to do is I need to publish a new video on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to take you to my YouTube account. And here I'm going to publish a new video. So I'm going to click on this create button. I'm going to upload video. So this is going to be my video and this is the title, which is Golden Serenity Capturing the Majestic Sunset. And here I'm going to give the description of my video. So I'm going to type my description here. And here this is going to be my description. Experience the breathtaking beauty of nature with our latest video capturing a stunning sunset. So this is going to be my description. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to publish this video. So I'm going to click on next. I will select all these options here. I'm going to again click on next. And I'm going to publish this video. I'm going to click on save. And here on content we can see I have published this new video on my YouTube channel. Now what I need to do is I need to go back to Pabbly Connect. Now here in Pabbly Connect, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on save and send as request button to get the latest video data from YouTube. So I'm going to click here. And here we can see I have received this response. So here this is the response of my video that I have published on my YouTube channel. So I have received this response. But if you don't receive this response instantly, then you don't have to worry because this is a polling based response and within the 10 minutes you are going to receive your response from YouTube. So here 10 minutes are the polling time of YouTube, and here what is going to happen is that as you are going to publish new videos on your YouTube channel, then within the 10 minutes YouTube is going to find the data of the new published video and it is going to send that data to Pabbly Connect within the 10 minutes. So here I have received this response. So in this response, I have this video URL of my video. Also in this, I have the title of my video, which is Golden Serenity Capturing the Majestic Sunset. I have my video description and I have all these details like my thumbnail and all the other details related to my video. So here I have published this new video on my YouTube channel. Now what I need to do is I need to use this video detail and I need to notify all my subscribers by sending an email by using Mailchimp. So by sending the email by Mailchimp, what I need to do is I need to first create my email campaign, and for that I need to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab and here my action application is going to be Mailchimp. So I'm going to select Mailchimp here. And now I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab and create campaign will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect Mailchimp with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection, and for connecting Mailchimp with Pabbly Connect, I need to give a token and the data center. So how I can find these details? So for that, I need to first go to my Mailchimp account, and here on my Mailchimp account, I will click on my profile picture. Now I will go to profile, and in profile, I need to go to extras, and here in extras, I have this option of API keys. So I'm going to open this, and now I need to scroll down. And here I need to create a new API key. Now for creating a key, I have to click here on this create a key button. And first I need to give a API key name. So here my key name will be email marketing. And now I'm going to click on generate key button. And here this is my key. So this key is also going to be my token. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect. And here I'm going to paste that in this token tab. So I'm going to paste my key here. And now I need the data center. So for the data center, I have to take you back to my Mailchimp account. And here in my path URL, I have my data center. So this US6 is my data center. So I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect. And I'm going to paste that here. So this is my data center and I have filled my token too. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on save. And I have connected Mailchimp with Pabbly Connect. Now what I need to do is I need to fill all these details to create a new email campaign for my YouTube videos. Now for my campaign, what I need to do is I need to first select my recipient list ID. And here what I need to do is I need to first create a recipient list in my Mailchimp account where I can add all my subscribers so that I can send the email to all the subscribers or to all the clients that I want to send this email to. So I have already created this recipient list in my Mailchimp account and it is named as Pabbly Connect. And for selecting your list, you need to open this tab and you will find all your lists that you have in your Mailchimp account. I only have one list, so I'm going to select that. And now I need to give a subject line for my email campaign. So my subject line will be new video alert. So this is going to be my subject line for my email campaign. And now what I need to do is I need to give a title for my campaign. So here my title will be video promotion. So this is going to be the title of my campaign. And now I need to give a from name. So here in this tab, I need to give the name from which I want to send this email to. So here I'm going to give my company name or my channel name. So here my channel name is demo channel. So here what I can do is I can map the name of my channel. I'm going to receive the name of my channel from my YouTube response. So what I can do is I can map that here in this particular tab. And for that, what I need to do is I need to use mapping. So what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tabs, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to click here. I will open the response of YouTube. And here this is the name of my channel. So I'm going to map this. So this is going to be my from name. And now I need to give an email of reply to. So here I'm going to give my email address from which I want to send this email and to which everyone can reply. So here I'm going to type my email address. So my email will be, so I have given my email address. Now what I need to do is I need to scroll down and I need to give my email content. And here in my tab of email content, I have to give my email content in HTML format. So I'm going to give my email body. So I'm going to click here and my email will be. So here this is going to be my email content in HTML format. Now in my email, I need to map some things from my YouTube response. Now here first what I need to do is I need to give the link of my YouTube video that I have just published. So here between these quotation, I need to click here and I'm going to map the URL of my video. So I'm going to open the response of YouTube and here this is the video URL. So I'm going to map this. So here after mapping this YouTube video, I have created a hyperlink by typing this code. So here I have created this hyperlink for my YouTube video. Now here also in this, I have to clear this video title bracket and I need to map the title of my video. So I'm going to open the response of YouTube and here this is my video title. So I'm going to map this and now I have mapped all the required details. So here what is going to happen is that as I have mapped all these details, so whenever I'm going to receive a new response of a new published video from YouTube, then automatically all these details are going to get replaced here and I'm going to get the new details in real time. So every time I'm going to create a new email campaign with new details of my new published video. So here this is going to be my email content and now what I need to do is I need to scroll down and I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So in this response I have my campaign ID and this means that I have created a new email campaign in Mailchimp. Now to check this, let me take you to Mailchimp. I will go to campaigns. And here in campaigns, we can see I have created this new campaign that is named as video promotion. So I'm going to open this and here this is my email campaign and here this is my email. So here I have created this email campaign. So I need to use this campaign and I need to send this to all my subscribers as I have published a new video on my YouTube channel. So to do this, I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I was sending this campaign. What I need to do is I need to add one more actions tab. And here again, I'm going to use Mailchimp. So I'm going to select that. And I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab. And send campaign will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect Mailchimp with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. And I have already built this connection between Mailchimp and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to use this existing connection. So I'm going to click on save. And now I need to give my campaign ID. So for giving the campaign ID, what I need to do is I need to first make this tab dynamic. So for that, I need to click here on this map button. And now I'm going to clear this default response. And now what I need to do is I need to map the campaign ID that I've just created for my published YouTube videos by using Mailchimp. So I'm going to open this response of Mailchimp and here this is my campaign ID. So I'm going to map this. So I have mapped my campaign ID. Now what I need to do is I need to send this campaign automatically to all my subscribers that I have in my list of Mailchimp contacts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response and this means that I have sent this campaign to all my subscribers one by one by using Mailchimp. So to check this, let me take you to Mailchimp. I'm going to go back. So here we can see that the status of my campaign has been changed to sent. So this means that I have sent this campaign automatically to all my subscribers for the new video published. So here we can see that as I have published a new video on my YouTube channel, that automatically by using all the detail of my published video, I have first created a campaign on my Mailchimp account And after creating that campaign, I have automatically sent that campaign to all my subscribers to notify them that I have published a new video. So like this, I can create more engagement for my YouTube videos and I can notify all my subscribers whenever I'm going to publish a new video. So this is how I can use email marketing for promoting my YouTube videos. So we can see that I have successfully created this connection between YouTube and Mailchimp, and now whenever we are going to publish a new video on our YouTube channel, then automatically we are going to promote that YouTube video by sending email to all the subscribers by using Mailchimp. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have successfully created this automation and connection between YouTube and Mailchimp to promote YouTube videos with email marketing automation. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was YouTube, and my trigger event was new video in channel with video URL. Then I have set up my action steps, and I have used Mailchimp as my action application. And first I have created a campaign, and in the last I have sent that campaign to all my subscribers. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there, and thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.